Hello, my name is Michael Rowlett, and I am the clarinet teacher at the University of Mississippi. I'm here today to make some comments for you on the Larghetto solo for the Mississippi chapter of the American School Band Directors Association, Year B. This is number 6 on page 24 of the Rubank Advanced Method. A couple of things to keep in mind as you're playing this one. It says con espressione, which means with expression. So this is a great chance to incorporate dynamics. Think about where you want to crescendo and decrescendo in order to give that sense of musical expression. I would suggest in this solo that you crescendo the first 3 measures. So through the 16th notes, and then decrescendo, the 4th measure, decrescendo, into the breath mark. The repeated notes, the repeated E's in the second bar, right here, those repeated E's are a great chance to show a little bit of crescendo, and then I keep that crescendo going through the 16th notes in the next bar. In the next phrase of the piece, which begins pianissimo, so you're going to play even softer in the second phrase. Again, I would crescendo the first 3 measures so that the loudest note that I play in that phrase is the low G sharp. That's at the start of measure 7 or the start of line 3. And I'll just take this opportunity to point out that G sharp carries through the bar, so the second G, 8th note, in the second half of the bar is also a G sharp, so just be careful you carry that accidental through. Again, so I would crescendo to that G sharp 16th note, and then decrescendo the final bar of the piece. This piece centers around the note A. It's actually in the key of A minor, and that throat tone A, our first key here, is a really sharp and kind of airy note on the clarinet. It's sharp in pitch and also airy in tone. So one thing you could try on your A is adding some of your right hand fingers. You could begin with your ring finger, but if you want, depending on how sharp the note is for you, you can add your middle finger and also your index finger, and I'll demonstrate what that sounds like, first with no right hand fingers, and then adding the right hand fingers. You can even add your pinky on the C key if you want to make it even a little lower. And that also improves the tone quality of that note. So when you're playing the dotted 8th note A, I would definitely do that. Finally, I'll just mention that in this solo, you count the 8th note. So remember that all of your 8th notes are getting 1 count, and your 16th notes are 2 to the beat. And that will help you with your counting as you go through. Good luck, and I wish you all the best in your audition on this solo.